In this video, I will be walking you through how to compare and contrast a traditional versus Roth 401k. In the plan that we're looking at today, we have Sylvia Monroe, and she has been contributing 6% to her company's traditional 401k offering. However, this year they introduced a Roth 401k option, and she wants to know whether or not she should continue to contribute to the traditional or move into the Roth. So what we're going to do is create a what if scenario where we compare and contrast this for her. So I'm going to create this what if. I'll call it Roth 401k. Create this plan. And right now I have this 401k in the plan, so I'm going to go first and end these contributions into this plan, and I'm going to create a new Roth 401k that she would start contributing to today. So we're going to go to the Roth 401k. Going to give it a balance of 0 because nothing is in it as of today, and she would do the same type of contribution, 6%, 100% to the Roth. There is an employer contribution that matches her 6%, and we're going to link it to her employment, and we're going to click done. So really quickly, as the graph reloads, we can see that she would still be able to meet her cash flow needs if she started contributing to the Roth. However, I want to compare and contrast a few more things. I'm going to go to the Let's See screen and go to Chart View. And we're going to look at these versus each other. So I'm going to go first to the taxes chart, and scrolling really quickly to the final year in the chart, we can see the difference in the cumulative taxes between these two options. Using the traditional 401k, the cumulative taxes in this plan are about $100,000 higher versus the Roth 401k, which is using after-tax dollars. And then if we also look at the assets chart, and we scroll over to the final year in the plan, we can see in the Roth 401k option that our client has about $389,000 left over at the end of the plan versus $186,000. So there is a little bit more cushion in the plan with the Roth 401k, were there to be any unexpected expenses that our clients were to face. So this is just a really quick and easy way to demonstrate how your valuable advice benefits your clients in the long run. I hope that this was helpful. If you do have any questions, you can always reach out to us by clicking the name of your client in the top right, requesting support, enter your question here, and share client access. Thanks for listening.